In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an Amazon associate and start earning commissions through affiliate marketing. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step to help you set up your account, create your profile, and begin promoting products to generate income. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, navigate to the Amazon Associates webpage by typing in affiliateprogramanamazon.com into the address bar and hitting enter. On the home page that appears, you'll notice a sign up button. Give that a click and this will lead you to the first step of joining the Amazon Associates program. Next, you'll need to create your account. If you already have an Amazon account, log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Amazon, take a moment to create a new Amazon account. It's a straightforward process. Just provide your basic details like your name, address, and any relevant website or social media links where you plan to promote Amazon products. Now, let's proceed to setting up your affiliate profile, which is a crucial step in this process. You'll need a list where you plan to promote these links. This could be your own website, YouTube channel, TikTok profile, or any social media platform you use. It's important to ensure these platforms are active and have good content quality, as Amazon will review your application. After you've listed your promotion platforms, choose the categories that best match your content or personal interests. This will help tailor the products you'll be promoting to your target audience, making it easier to create engaging content. With your profile all set up, it's time to explore and get your affiliate links. Head over to Amazon and search for any product you think would resonate well with your audience. Once you find a product, look up to the top bar and you'll see an option labeled Get Link. Click on that and Amazon will generate a unique affiliate link for you. Copy this link as it will direct any clicks to your promotion to that product. That link is your primary tool for affiliate marketing. Finally, it's time to promote and start earning. Share your affiliate links on various platforms, write a blog post, create a YouTube review, share your thoughts in a TikTok video, or even just make a social media post about the product. The more engaging your content, the higher the chance people will click on your link and make a purchase. Each time someone does, you earn a commission, which is the essence of affiliate marketing. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up with the potential to turn your online presence into a revenue earning opportunity. Thanks for listening and happy selling.